So I got my package from Stay Fresh with Peanut. I just found this company and they sell all kinds of fragrance oils and anything you can think of for making freshies. If you don't know what freshies are, they're like aroma fresheners that you put like in your car, or you can put them in your bathroom or whatever. The difference is that the freshies are supposed to last like 6 to 8 months, sometimes even a year, I heard. So, and you can design them to anything that you want. I'll put some samples up so you guys can see. So I've never made freshies before. I am curing some beads. But I came across this company, and they're a small business Texas company. So I love supporting my Texas companies. And here we go. The packaging, you get a thank you card. Let's see, I got 3 pounds. I got 3 pounds of unscented aroma beads. Now, these are the beads that you put in. These are the beads that you put in a jar. So for 4 ounces, you use 1 ounce of fragrance oil, and you let that absorb in your jar. And once it's not sticky anymore, it doesn't stick to the walls, it's ready to use. Some people say that the longer you leave it in the jar, the longer the scent will last on the finished product. These have been here. I did it on January 1st, and today is the 10th. So I'm going to leave them here for another week or so. Okay, so these are nice. They're round beads, and they're supposed to hold 3 or 4 times more fragrance oil than the regular ones. I felt the price was very reasonable, actually. So that's kind of cool. And so I ordered, I know I shouldn't be ordering any more fragrance oils, y'all. I have like, I don't know, like 200 of them. But I just keep wanting to. Okay, so this one is Bikini Bottom. And it's supposed to be like a naked butt. So it's got a little, I love this. It's got this little protective thing. Oh, yeah, it smells just like naked butt. It smells so delicious. I'm sorry, not naked butt, but naked. Holy moly. It's got like a citrusy, floral, sweet scent. I guess I can smell a hint of coconut as well. It's supposed to remind you of an island. It smells delicious. So I can't wait to try these on the freshies. I have tried this scent before on candles and soap. So here we have Urban Cowboy leather. So then, little thing again. This one. Oh wow, that's put too close to my nose. Wow, this really smells like leather. And it doesn't smell synthetic. Oh my God, you know, it smells like, have you ever walked into like a Western shoe store where you get all your cowboy boots and stuff? That's what it smells like. Oh, I'm going to have to make one of these for myself. That's delicious. Really, really nice. And this one is Fancy Pants. So it's leather and lace. All these had really good reviews. This one I've had before, the Bikini Bottom, because I use butt naked. But this one, the Urban Cowboy and the Fancy Pants, I've never purchased. Actually, I've never purchased any leather ones. So I'm pretty excited about this. Okay, this one smells like leather. I can't tell if I'm smelling lavender or something floral. It's like lavender and something floral. I mean, leather and something floral. It smells really good. I totally would sport, or I'd actually sport any of these three in my car. So there we have it. My first order from Stay Fresh with Peanut. If you like making freshies or want to check out some new fragrance oils, check this company out. They're a brand new company, and I wish them well. Thanks for watching.